The ongoing military escalation in West Asia is expected to push nearly 2.5 million people in India into poverty, while also slowing human development progress and worsening economic vulnerabilities, according to a United Nations assessment. According to Kashmir Media Service, a new report by the United Nations Development Programme (UNDP) titled as Military Escalation in the Middle East, Human Development Impacts Across Asia and the Pacific further warns that rising fuel, freight and input costs triggered by the conflicts are all weakening household purchasing power, increasing food insecurity and straining public finances across the region. The report further estimated that globally up to 8.8 million people they could fall into poverty due to the conflict, with South Asia accounting for the largest share of the impact. In India alone, the number of people pushed into poverty is projected to rise from around 400,000 to approximately 2.5 million people under severe scenarios. On trade and employment, the report further notes that West Asian markets they account for a significant share of Indian exports and imports, including sectors such as gems and jewelry, apparel, tea, and basmati rice. It further writes the disruption in shipping routes, freight coating, and insurance premium are affecting the supply chains across multiple countries. The UN further cautioned that India's large informal workforce, estimated to around 90% of total employment, faces heightened risk, particularly in MSME-dependent sectors such as construction materials, hospitality and manufacturing, where rising costs could lead to reduced working hours and job losses. The report also highlights the impact on remittances, noting that over 9 million Indian resides in Gulf Cooperation Council countries and their earnings constitute a significant share of India's inward remittances. UN officials further say that the crisis underscored the urgent need for countries to strengthen economic resilience, diversify energy systems and improve social protection frameworks to mitigate the impact of external shocks.